An update of Bitcoin now. It appears it's going to break finally to the downside. This is because we've been rejected in the weekend here at the 72,000 level. Rejection now appears to go into the lower side of the range that it's even going to be. It's going to be 66,000. If this is going to break, yes, we can expect even to the lower side of the range. Of the big box is going to be 60,000 or even can get to 56,000. I don't know if this time is going to be any interest here. If there is no interest here, we can expect a drop also to 52, and final line in the sand for the bulls is going to be 42,000. I don't even think we can reach this level, but if we reach, it's going to be a huge amount of orders they are waiting. So be protective, be very careful at this time. We are still anyway above the 50 and the 200, so nothing bad with this, but I think this time it's going to break to the downside. I've been saying this for some days, and I still think this is going to happen because we've been in this huge uptrend that lasts for maybe 7 months. Like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months without even a pullback, and this is not a monthly pullback. Come on, this is absolutely nothing. If you want to like draw like a line, make a draw here, this looks like a cap with the handle pattern. So this is not a handle yet, so there are two options: or we keep coiling here for some months till we make a type of handle and we break to the upside, or an easier way to do this is to break to the downside, scare everyone to death, and then boom. So those are the two options for this to be ready for the next leg up. So now there is nothing wrong with this. It's just a consolidation. Even we can see a bull flag. But so many months of uptrend and no pullback makes me think that we can break to the downside. And also this rejection and this rejection, 2 rejections already. Now we are going to try for the lower side of the box, and if this breaks, we are going down to 60. So be very protective and be very careful with this. Maybe it's absolutely nothing, maybe it's the start of something. Remember, usually Monday is the day where bulls save the day. So if this was going to be saved, Monday was the day, today was the day. So I at least expect this to fall to 65,000. From there we see, or even 60 to start. So look also the altcoins, huge red day to all altcoins. I think the only one worth talking about, I think, is going to be this one, level. But even this is nice. This is a nice nice bounce. 2 days, let me see, about 35% to the upside in 2 days, not bad. We are still in this huge box of decision, so not much to talk about, but was a nice move from the lower side of the box. Anyway, not any more to say about this. Just now we are all watching Bitcoin is in a downtrend now. Let's see, 4 hour. Look, we have 2 huge, not huge, but 2 decent bear flags. Bear flag, boom, and don't be surprised if this creates another bear flag and boom. Usually bear flag is halfway route to the downside, so be very careful with this. it's time to be protective. I've been saying this. I've been saying 4 days that Bitcoin should break to the downside. And maybe time gives me the right to think that I'm right in this time. So be very careful, be protective, and let's see what happens. So these 24 hours, maybe also Wednesday and Thursday, are going to be very important days. Maybe we finally see a move out of this boring zone. And of course, everyone was expecting this to go to the upside. 2 rejections already, so I expect at least to be this to try to break to the downside now. Okay, so tend to be protective, and let's see what happens. Stay safe and see you soon.